Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the new 5 best Amazon kitchen gadgets finds this month that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks. So let's start the video.
The Elite Gourmet EJ0800 High Power Torque Automatic battery-operated electric jar opener stands out as a practical and efficient solution for those who struggle with stubborn jars. This product is especially beneficial for individuals with limited hand strength or dexterity, making it an invaluable addition to any kitchen. Design-wise, the jar opener is sleek and compact, measuring 2.5 inches in width and 4.3 inches in height, which allows for easy storage and accessibility. The combination of black and gray plastic gives it a modern look that complements various kitchen aesthetics. Operation is straightforward. It requires just a simple push of a button. The high-power torque feature ensures that even the most challenging jar lids can be opened effortlessly. Users report that it can handle a variety of jar sizes, which adds to its versatility. The battery-operated function powered by standard batteries eliminates the hassle of cords, allowing it to be used anywhere without being
The GET heavy-duty 1-gallon plastic pitcher is an impressive addition to any kitchen or dining experience, designed to combine functionality with durability. Made from high-quality plastic, this pitcher boasts a clear design that allows you to easily monitor the contents while adding a sleek look to your table setting. One of the standout features of this pitcher is its 1-gallon capacity, making it ideal for serving large gatherings or for everyday use. The ergonomically designed handle ensures a comfortable grip, enabling easy pouring without the risk of spills. This functionality is particularly appreciated during busy meals or social events. The pitcher is engineered to withstand the rigors of daily use, with several special features that enhance its performance. It is stain-resistant, which means that even after serving various beverages such as juices or iced tea, the pitcher remains looking clean and fresh. Additionally, it is break-resistant, making it a safe choice.
The Full-Star vegetable chopper stands out as a versatile tool designed to simplify meal preparation. With dimensions of 10.98 inches by 4.96 inches, its compact size makes it suitable for various kitchen spaces, ensuring easy storage without occupying much room. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, it is lightweight yet sturdy, allowing for effortless handling during use. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, both the chopper and its blades ensure durability and longevity, promising consistent performance over time. The blade length of 4 inches is ideal for cutting, dicing, and slicing a variety of vegetables with ease, catering to a wide range of culinary tasks. Its multi-purpose design not only makes it suitable for vegetables, but can also handle fruits and other ingredients, thereby enhancing its functionality in the kitchen. The black finish offers a sleek and modern aesthetic that integrates well into any kitchen decor. Additionally, the Full-Star vegetable chopper is dishwasher safe.
The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender for shakes and smoothies is a standout appliance in the realm of household blending. With its sleek stainless steel design, it not only serves as a functional tool, but also adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor. One of the most impressive features of this blender is its ice saber blades, which ensure smooth blending and consistent results. Whether you're preparing smoothies, shakes, or sauces, these blades effectively handle both frozen fruits and ice, delivering a velvety texture every time. The blender's multiple speeds cater to various recipes, providing you with the versatility needed to achieve.
The Hawkins Ceramic Nonstick 3.5 Liter Deep. Cod-Eye is an impressive addition to any kitchen, combining functionality with a sleek design. Made from high-quality ceramic, this Cod-Eye boasts a robust construction that ensures durability and resistance to wear over time. One of the standout features of this Cod-Eye is its non-stick surface, which allows for effortless cooking and easy food release. This characteristic not only enhances the cooking experience but also promotes healthier meal preparation, as it requires less oil, making it perfect for a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to curries. The non-stick property is complemented by its compatibility with both gas and electric stovetops, which broadens its usability and ensures that it can fit seamlessly into any cooking environment. With a generous capacity of 3.5 liters, this Cod-Eye is ideal for preparing meals for families and gatherings. Whether simmering a large pot of sauce or sautéing vegetables, the ample size allows for even